Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up and install Shizuku without your PC. Now Shizuku is an app that will allow you to have a root access on your Android phone without actually rooting it or having to unlock your bootloader. And for this process which I'm going to show you, you don't even need to have a PC or a laptop. But before we get started, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to follow the instructions very carefully so that you do not miss any step. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to simply open our browser and search for Shizuku from GitHub link. Tap on the first link from there and download the official Shizuku app. It is a completely safe and open source application. So just scroll down and tap on releases. From here, scroll down again and download the Shizuku file. Once you've done that, just install the Shizuku APK file. Now that we've installed Shizuku, there are a couple of things that we have to do. The first is to enable developer options on our Android phone. To enable developer options, just make sure to launch the settings app. Depending upon the phone you're using, in the case of my OnePlus device, I can go to About Device section. Then I can scroll down to Version. Then I can multiple tap the version number to enable developer options and enter my lock screen passcode. Make sure that you do the same as well. In your case, it could be either build number or other options. Now that we've come here, go to System Update and select Developer Options. Now under Developer Options, there are a couple of things that we have to enable. The first is USB debugging. The second is wireless debugging. Now within wireless debugging, just go within wireless debugging and you'll find various options like this. Now launch the Shizuku application. Let me go ahead and then launch the Shizuku app. Now here you can see start via wireless debugging. So we will do this without connecting to the computer. So tap on this option called pairing and tap on this notification options and allow the notification access for Shizuku. Now once you've done that, it will search for pairing service at the top, you can see. So what we can do is we can come back to this wireless debugging tab and here it will look for that particular device. Now in my case I paired it before, so you're seeing this at the bottom. So for this example I will just forget this previously paired device. Now what we'll do is we'll tap on pair device with pairing code or QR code. I will select with pairing code for now, and at the top you can see it says pairing service found, enter the pairing code. Tap on this enter pairing code and just type in the pairing code that is displayed on your screen and just hit this enter button. And now the pairing is in progress, we can see at the very top of the menu. So we'll come back to Shizuku and see the particular progress. We'll just wait until the pairing process is complete. Don't worry, this might take a few seconds, but it will be completed without any errors as long as you have followed the required steps. Now the pairing is complete. Tap on the start button from the bottom. When you tap the start button, you will receive a pop-up like this. So it says we need to take an extra step depending upon the phone we are using. Here, tap on read help. Now here you can see for various brands. If you are using MIUI from Xiaomi or Poco, you have to enable USB debugging in brackets security options, and this option is actually separate from normal USB debugging option. If you are using ColorOS in Oppo or OnePlus device like me, you have to disable permission monitoring in developer options. If you are using Flyme, then you have to disable Flyme payment protection in developer options. So just depending upon which phone you're using, in my case I'm using OnePlus, so I will look for permission monitoring within developer options. So I'll go to my settings back, and within developer options I'll scroll down until I find the permission monitoring option. So let me quickly go ahead, and then you can see I found disable permission monitoring. I'll simply turn this toggle on, and now I'll go ahead and then come back to the Shizuku app like this. Now you can see at the top Shizuku is running We have paired using our device code from developer options using wireless debugging method, and we have also disabled permission monitoring. Now, depending upon the app that we want to allow the access to, tap on authorized applications here and allow the access for the respective applications to give root access, and that particular app will have root or super user access. And this is a way on how you can start and set up Shizuku on Android without the need for a PC or laptop. If this video helped you even a tiny bit and helped you save your time from watching other videos, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is a fairly new channel to me, so your support would really mean a lot. And thanks for watching till the very end. If there is any doubt, make sure to leave them in the comments, and see you in the next video.